Well, it was a nice Thanksgiving day out there today. Let's take a look at your forecast with meteorologist Eric Gage. Eric, happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving to you, and also happy Thanksgiving to those of you watching. Weather has cooperated for the most part today. Temperatures in the 40s and is cooling down into the 30s for tonight with mostly dry conditions. Rain showers look to arrive by tomorrow morning, but it does hold off at least for tonight. Temperatures across the Mohawk Valley in the 40s, 40 in New Hartford, at 45 in Deerfield, at 34 degrees on the cooler side in Barneveld. In the Southern Valley's temperatures in the 30s and 40s, 48 Whitesboro, 31 at Milford, at 36 degrees in Cassville, and 39 degrees in Paynes Hollow. Taking a live look at a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 DOP the radar. Things looking dry across the area for this evening and will continue for tonight, cooling down into the low 30s with increasing clouds. Then some rain showers arrive by tomorrow morning, and things start to cool down a little bit as we head into tomorrow evening. Have your full details and more in the forecast coming up. Back over to you, Ben.
Thank you very much, Eric. The First United Methodist.
From Central New York's most dependable weather team, here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. Hopefully everyone has enjoyed this beautiful Thanksgiving day today. On the mild side, relatively, with temperatures in the 40s and then cooling down into the 30s tonight before rain showers arrive tomorrow morning. So I'll be taking a live look at our Cavi Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. Things are looking mostly quiet at this point in time. As taking a live look at a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 DOP the radar. Still, things are looking quiet across the area. However, rain showers will be arriving from a front away out to the west. So what are the headlines for tonight? Remaining dry this evening until early tomorrow morning. Rain moves in tomorrow for the most part in the morning, then drying out by the afternoon, and then along with that, some few lingering flurries possible. And we do dry out again for the start of Thanksgiving weekend on Saturday. So the big story, along with some rain possible tomorrow, is the wind. It's going to be a pretty breezy day for tomorrow. Wind speeds between 15 and 20 miles per hour. But along with that, the winds relatively remain strong for Saturday, Sunday, as well as Monday. The least of the windy days look to be on Saturday. For the most part, still looking on the breezy side over the next few days. And along with that, this is all due to a cold front arriving from the west. Here's a look at our radar and satellite composite. Our beautiful weather today was influenced by a ridge of high pressure that is moving its way out towards the east. They see this quick-moving cold front arriving tomorrow. That'll push its way out towards the east throughout the afternoon and the early morning hours, and then looking mostly dry by tomorrow evening before a few lingering flurries are possible as that wind direction shifts over the Great Lakes. So our skycast for tonight, cooling down into the 30s, remaining on the dry side as well before early tomorrow morning. This cold front pushes through, will bring us some scattered rain showers, maybe a few light flurries possible in those outlying high peak areas in the Adirondacks. Warming up into the mid 40s by tomorrow afternoon, then drying out a little bit, still seeing mostly cloudy skies. And then you can see as that wind direction shifts, that temperature drops, and then we're going to see some few lingering lake effect flurries. For the most part, it looks to remain outside of our area, just south of Otsego County and just to the west of Oneida. But for the most part, still could see a few lingering flurries and sprinkles as those temperatures continue to drop by tomorrow night. By Sunday morning, or Saturday morning, I should say, warming up into the upper 30s to low 40s with mostly sunny skies. Still a little bit breezy out there by Saturday evening, but for the most part, still looking dry. And we mentioned that rainfall arriving, not expecting a whole lot of accumulation with the rain showers, only seeing between 1/10 of an inch to 1/4 of an inch for total rainfall, at least as we head into tomorrow. After that, things are looking relatively on the mild side. Winter is holding off, at least for the most part, as we head into the next several days. For tonight, a low of 34 degrees, increasing clouds, and then tomorrow, some rain showers starting out and even some possible flurries as we head into the evening. Breezy conditions as well for the most part tomorrow. Our 7-day forecast, things are looking relatively dry for Saturday, then rain showers return Sunday, still on the mild side, highs reaching the mid-40s with rain showers heading into Monday as well. Dry a little bit on Tuesday, then rain showers return once again as we head into Wednesday and Thursday. A big difference in temperatures there, 50s Wednesday, 30s by Thursday. Ben?
Thank you very much, Eric. Still to come on News Channel 2, it's day out there. Time for our first look at your forecast at 10. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage. Happy Thanksgiving, Eric.
Happy Thanksgiving, Ben, and happy Thanksgiving to all of you watching. We were blessed with a very nice Thanksgiving day today with temperatures remaining in the 40s for the most part, with sunshine peeking through some high-level clouds. And for the most part, as we take a look at Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2, Doppler radar, things are going to remain dry over the next several hours, but that will likely change as we head into the early hours tomorrow morning as a cold front arrives from the west. And taking a look at current conditions right now in the 30s, 36 degrees measured at the Griffith Park in Rome. Feels in the upper 20s right now to a light breeze. And for the most part, this will be the temperature for the most part for tonight as a cold front pushes through, once again bringing some rain showers by early tomorrow morning. So for the most part tonight, cooling down into the low 30s with increasing clouds. We're tracking how much rainfall could be expecting as we head into Black Friday coming up. Back over to you, Ben.
Thank you very much, Eric. For the first time since the COVID...
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening and welcome back. Things are looking pretty quiet. Taking a live look at our Cavity Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. Still looking at a mild breeze out there right now, as well as taking a live look at a Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things are looking dry across the region. Zooming out a little bit, we can see is cold front arriving from the west. This will be our weather as we head into tomorrow morning. These rain showers are on the scattered side, so not everyone will see complete washouts. And for the rain showers that do fall, don't expect a lot of accumulation with these showers. These are expected to end as we head into tomorrow evening with a chance of flurries as we head into tomorrow night. With the headlines, dry tonight, cooling down into the low 30s. Rain moves in by tomorrow morning, drying out by tomorrow evening, and then we return to dry weather for Saturday before rain showers return to wrap up the end of Thanksgiving weekend. Now, taking a look at our radar and satellite, beautiful weather for Thanksgiving standards today. Plenty of sunshine due to a high-pressure dome right over our area. Now, this will gradually move its way out towards the east tonight, and then rain showers from a weak cold front will push through, bringing some scattered showers into our area by tomorrow morning. Taking a look at our skycast by 4:35 p.m., that cold front pushes through, and then we're seeing some possible flurries along mostly cloudy skies for tomorrow night, and along with that, drier and cooler weather as we head into the start of the weekend Saturday. So our skycast for tonight on the chilly side, cooling down into the lower 30s, mostly cloudy skies as they move into the area. By 6 a.m., still looking relatively dry, but that cold front starts pushing through right around sunrise and then continuing through the area by noon. Still looking on the scattered side in terms of rain showers, nothing too heavy in terms of downpours for the most part as we head into Friday afternoon. By around 5 p.m. for tomorrow, still looking on the breezy side, windy actually, with temperatures warming up into the lower to mid 40s for the most part, and then cooling down with a few light sprinkles and a few light flurries, especially in higher elevations as we head into early Saturday morning. Saturday afternoon still looking dry, breezy as well, but temperatures ranging from the upper 30s to low 40s with sunshine across the board. Now, bringing it back to tomorrow, because we're seeing some rain showers for the morning hours. Not expecting a lot of rainfall with this, seeing rainfall totals nearing a tenth of an inch to a quarter of an inch total. Outlying areas in the higher elevations up towards Tug Hill could see a little more, but for the most part, still just relatively light sprinkles and showers, just an unsettled start to the Friday morning. Along with the rain showers, wind outlook as well. Windy tomorrow for the most part. Wind speeds between 15 and 20 miles per hour, especially in the Mohawk Valley as those winds continue to move its way from west to east. And then the breezy conditions do continue to remain throughout the Thanksgiving weekend for Saturday, Sunday, even into Monday, for those winds gradually diminish as we head into Tuesday. So tonight, cooling down into the lower 30s with increasing clouds, and then rain showers arrive by the early morning hours tomorrow, high 45 degrees. And then things start to dry out by tomorrow evening with a chance of a few flurries from lake effect. Our 7-day forecast looking on the unsettled side for tomorrow morning. Dry weather for Saturday. Rain showers return for Sunday evening and into Monday, and then a little bit dry on the dry side for Tuesday. The big picture is warmer temperatures for the remainder of this weekend and the start of next week. Ben?
Thank you very much, Eric. Coming up next, who was crowned Best in Show out there in Central New York today? Will it stick around? Meteorologist Eric Gage is here with the forecast. Happy Thanksgiving, Eric.
Happy Thanksgiving, Ben, and happy Thanksgiving for those of you watching at home. And yes, we were blessed with a very nice Thanksgiving day with temperatures in the 40s and a mixture of sun and some high-level clouds. And for the most part, things are looking to remain dry in our area. Here's a live look at your Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar. Things will remain dry at least until early tomorrow morning, where some rain showers arrive from a cold front. This timing looks to be between 6 and 7 p.m. for the start of a few weak showers by early tomorrow morning. Another story, the temperatures on the warmer side relatively for today, but cooling down near and below freezing for tonight. 32 degrees checking in at the Griffith Park in Rome, and we're going to remain in the low 30s for tonight with increasing clouds as that front pushes through. We're tracking how much rain we'll be expecting as we head into the start of the weekend. Look at that forecast, it is coming up. Back over to you, Ben.
Thank you very much, Eric. For the first time,
New York's most dependable weather team. Here's meteorologist Eric Gage.
Good evening. Hopefully everyone has enjoyed a very fantastic Thanksgiving, and for the most part today it's turned out pretty lovely with temperatures in the 40s with some sunshine, and tonight cooling down into the 30s with mostly dry conditions. This is a live look at our Cavvy Tower camera overlooking the city of Utica. Taking a look at your Yorkville Battery Storm Tracker 2 Doppler radar right now. Still things are looking dry. However, out to the west, a weak cold front pushing through, bringing some scattered showers. This will arrive into our area by early tomorrow morning. So for your checklist, head out the door tomorrow if you're heading out. Bring an umbrella just in case. Rain showers aren't going to be that heavy, so you don't need any extra time. Along with that, a coat as well. It's going to be on the chilly side tomorrow morning. Morning temperatures are going to start out in the 30s, and we're up into the lower 40s by the afternoon. So weather headlines for tonight. It's going to remain dry for tonight. Rain showers move in tomorrow morning, and then we dry out by tomorrow afternoon, and that will continue for the start of Thanksgiving weekend on Saturday. Now, this is all due to an area of high pressure that brought us very nice weather for Thanksgiving today. That's going to move its way out towards the east for tonight, and then this cold front pushes through, and that'll bring in cooler weather into our area, even a chance for a few light flurries as well as a few light sprinkles as the winds come in from Lake Ontario by early tomorrow evening. So in our skycast for tonight, cooling down into the 30s with breezy conditions moving through the area by early tomorrow morning. With rain showers move through, you can see right here, nothing too serious, just a few light showers for the most part, accumulations nearing the 1/10 of an inch to a 1/4 inch. That moves through, and then cooler temperatures move into our area by 5 p.m. It's still looking like mostly cloudy skies and a few lingering lake effect flurries as we head into tomorrow night. Heading into early Saturday morning, things are looking on the cloudy side with breezy conditions as well, and then sunny skies move in for the afternoon, still remaining on the mild side relatively with temperatures in the upper 30s to low 40s. As I mentioned before, our chance of rain accumulation right now, we're seeing general accumulations between a 1/10 of an inch to a 1/4 inch, so nothing too serious in terms of rainfall for tomorrow. But the big picture is the wind. Windy conditions tomorrow, wind speeds between 15 and 20 miles per hour. Be careful if you're on the roads tomorrow with that wind. And along with that, the breeze does continue for Saturday, Sunday, even into Monday, as a pattern of a similar system moves into our area with a few lingering showers Sunday as well as Monday, and that will continue for the remainder of the work week. So for tonight, low of 34 degrees, even some areas in the outlying areas cooling down even more, increasing clouds. And then tomorrow, high 45 degrees, showers move in later on, and then flurries move in by the evening. Breezy conditions there as well. Our 7-day forecast, things are looking dry for tonight. Rain showers arrive for your morning, heading into your morning commute tomorrow. Temperatures rising up into the mid-40s. We dry out by tomorrow evening, and the dry weather continues for Saturday. Sunday evening, rain showers return. You're seeing a similar pattern right here. Lingering showers, even a few flurries on Monday. Drying out again Tuesday, and then similar conditions again. Rain showers will win Wednesday. Even a few lingering showers and flurries move into our area on Thursday. Ben?
Thank you very much, Eric. Coming up next, who was crowned Best